In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all your Dropbox data with Dropbox Data Export Takeout. The goal here is simple. Make everything in your Dropbox available offline on your computer so you can easily back it up or move it to another location. We'll walk through where to click, what each option does, and how to know when your files are ready to copy. First, launch Dropbox on your device. Make sure the Dropbox desktop app is running in your menu bar on a Mac or in the system tray on Windows, and that you have a reliable internet connection. This method relies on syncing files from the cloud to your computer, so keeping the app open and connected is important for a smooth export. Next, open the Dropbox window and click Preferences. The quickest way to get there is by clicking the Dropbox icon near your clock, then opening the menu and choosing Preferences. If you prefer menus, you can also open the Dropbox app window and look for Preferences there. This is where you control how Dropbox behaves on your device. Inside Preferences, go to the Sync section. This tab contains settings that determine whether files live only online or are downloaded to your computer. You might also see options related to how selective sync works, or how the Dropbox folder is handled. Under the default sync preference, select Available Offline. Depending on your version of the app, this may be labeled Local or Available Offline. Turning this on tells Dropbox to download your content to your computer so you have a full, local copy. If your Dropbox is large, expect this process to take some time and make sure you have enough disk space to hold everything. While syncing, keep the app open and your computer awake to avoid interruptions. You'll know it's working when you see progress indicators on files and folders. Look for green check marks next to items in your Dropbox folder and an up-to-date status in the Dropbox menu. That green check mark means a file is fully downloaded and ready to use offline. Once syncing is complete and you see green check marks across your Dropbox, you can copy your files to an external drive. Open your Dropbox folder on your computer, connect your external storage, and drag the folders you want to back up onto the drive. Copying preserves your originals in Dropbox while creating a backup elsewhere. If your collection is large, copy in chunks and let each transfer finish before starting the next one. That's all you need to export your Dropbox data. Launch Dropbox, open Preferences, choose Sync, and set the default to Available Offline. Then wait for the green check marks and copy your files wherever you need them.